Oregon's Occupational Safety and Health Administration has outlined new rules for businesses to help stop the spread of coronavirus. Starting Monday, employees have to notify employees if there's been a workplace exposure within 24 hours. And starting December 7th, employees have to get input from employees on what they think their hazards are in the workplace and then come up with a plan to cut down on hazards. 2 weeks later, employees have to train employees on how to limit exposure to reduce their risk. Hospitals and other places that are high risk need to meet air ventilation standards by January 6th. The temporary rules will be in effect until May. Those over and within labor unions are speaking out with their thoughts about working conditions and right now and what the new ruling could mean moving forward. And KEZI 9 News reporter Kennedy Dendy is live to talk about the action many are demanding. Kennedy.
China, since the start of the pandemic, working Oregonians have had some tough decisions to make. Will they work remotely or outside of the home? But not everyone had a choice. Across Oregon, over 8,600 reported COVID-19 cases came from workplace outbreaks just this week alone. And the new ruling from Oregon OSHA demands that more action is taken to slow the spread of COVID-19. I spoke to Graham Trainer, who is the president of a federation over labor unions across Oregon. He says workers have been calling for this since day one of the pandemic, as they have risked their lives to pay the bills. He shared what should be made a priority when it comes to providing a safe space for everyone.
What do we need to do to protect working Oregonians? And we're really proud that we've been able to get some traction in this one critical component to doing just that, protecting essential workers.
He says that workplace outbreaks make up 19% of all COVID-19 infections. Here in Lane County, public health officials told me there's been a total of 173 outbreaks, and they're actively watching 75 of those. Trainer hopes that more permanent rulings are created soon. Coming up in the 5 o'clock hour, hear from one Eugene resident who says that Governor Brown can only do so much. So it's up to us to make decisions that will slow down the spread of COVID-19. Reporting live in Eugene, Kennedy Dendy, KEZI 9 News.